I'm Albert Lim from Pixel Lab. Today I'm going to unbox the Samsung Gear 360. I'm excited about unboxing this box, and there's three main features there. It's a high resolution, it's recording in, you can record in 4K. There's the aperture dual lens, there's 2.0, and it can be recorded very clearly in low light. So it's done. So it's the casing, they'll put it on the side. Okay, let's take it out from the box. Okay, there is this tripod that is attached to the camera. Okay, you can put it on the table. Okay, and you can remove the tripod if you want to use your own camera or video tripod. You can just mount it on your tripod. So the camera itself can record up to 15 megapixel, and there is the fisheye lens that comes with it if you want to take the still pictures. Okay, and if you're taking the still pictures, you can take up to 30 megapixel. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so we have the USB cables that comes with it. Okay, we have the Gear 360, the Action Director product key over here. Okay, let me see what is this. Okay. Oh, this is the cleaning cloth, so you can clean the lens if it's dirty or needs some maintenance. Okay, just clean the lens. Okay. Right. So there is this quick start guide that you can read. Okay. So we have the so it comes with a battery. Okay. The strap for you to tie the camera to. Let me see, where is it? Okay. Okay. I suppose it's to tie to the tripod over here. Okay. We shall do it later. Okay. So it also comes with a pouch. Okay. The feel of the pouch feels good. It looks like velvet, or inside the compartment is like a soft touch to it. So that's where you can put your camera in when you are on the go or traveling. Okay. The battery itself is 1350 milliamps. The camera itself comes with there's this compartment over here that you can remove. Okay, so you can put your MicroSD card and the battery over here. There's also a USB port. On the phone itself, you might want to install Samsung Gear 360 VR Manager. So when you install the app, it will install the Samsung accessory service too. Okay, let's turn on the camera. Okay, you can see initially, right, there's the blinking blue light followed by the two red light over here. On the small screen here, there is the battery level, which is now like maybe is the last quarter of it, and there is the recording remaining time that you can record. Now it's like 47 minutes. Okay, so now let's open up the app. It's the Gear 360. The first page, you will ask whether you want to connect to the Gear 360. You will say yes. Okay, allow. Okay, so turn on Okay, so we turn on the Bluetooth. Okay. So now you will scan around for the camera. Okay. Okay, so now it's connecting the camera to the phone. Okay, so we agree to it, to the terms. Okay, then we click next. Alright, then you can read it if you want to, and we can click OK. Okay, so now the camera is connected to the phone. Okay, let's get the camera. Okay, so now the camera is connected to the phone, and you can see the images that's captured by the camera is shown on the phone itself. So we can turn this. Okay, you can turn this the images around. If you want to take a photo, you can choose photo. And you adjust the image, then you take the picture. So you can take a look at the picture that you have taken just now. So it's stitching the picture here. So this is the 360 picture that I've taken just now. Let's try taking a video. Okay, let's take a video. Okay, so okay, let's press the recording button. Okay, so we can see that the timer is running. So now is the recording is taking place. I think you can stop it. Okay, so to watch the video that you have taken just now, just click this. So you'll process the video for a while. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful. Subscribe to our channel for more cool stuff. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more cool stuff. Okay, I forget the middle button. Okay.